In this video we're going to look at percentage profit or loss. So here we have our percentage profit formula. Okay, so it's percentage profit, and that equals profit over cost price multiplied by 100. If we were looking for the loss, if there was a loss after us selling something, instead of putting in profit here, we put in the loss. Okay, it works very same as the VAT really, except instead of the cost exclusive of VAT, we will call it cost price. Instead of the VAT, we call it profit, and instead of the price inclusive of VAT, we call it selling price. Okay, but it works the same. So the cost price, we're going to see that as, we're going to have that as our 100%. Okay, so that's the whole jacket or the whole coat or t-shirt or whatever. The profit then is the amount that a business will choose to add on to that that cost price. So for instance, they buy a jacket for 50 euros, they sell it for 60. Okay, their profit is 10 euros. Alright, their percentage profit will be the cost price, which is 50, the profit, which is 10, and we multiply that by 100 over 1. Okay, that'll get my percentage profit. Okay, so our selling price then will be the 100% here, which is the cost price, the profit, and there's our selling price. Okay, so if we look here, if the cost price of a t-shirt is 25 euros, so there's a t-shirt, 25 euros. And the markup, sometimes the profit will be called markup, is 20%. How much will the selling price of the t-shirt be? Well, all we'll do is we'll multiply that by 20% to see what our profit is. So we have 25 multiplied by 20%, and that would give us 5 euros. So there's our cost price. Here's our profit. So if you want to know how much the t-shirt will be sold for the selling price, be the 30 euros, be the 25, and the 5 added on. Okay, so that's easy enough. However, if we're working the other way, if we're working back, so if we are given the selling price and asked to find the cost price, let's look back here. The selling price is not 100%. The selling price is the 100% plus the whatever profit is. Okay, so if we look, we have 200 euros. So 200 euros, that's the selling price. We want to get back to the cost price. We're going to have to find the profit. Okay, the profit is 20%. Remember, the cost is 100%. So this here is going to be 120%. Right, well, if 200 euros equals 120%, can I find 1%? Divide both sides by 120. I get 1%. Divide this by 120, and I will get 20 equals €1.60. So €1.60 is 1%. What do I want to get here? I get the 100%. Okay. So multiply it by 100, multiply that by 100, and I will get 160 euros. That's 100%. Okay, so this here is 160 euros. If I was asked for the profit, I'd take one away from the other, and I'd get 40. Okay, or instead of multiplying it by 100, I could multiply it by 20, and I'd get that. Okay.